Dr. Finn here with my pack, and I am here to talk to you about what all dog heroes like yourself want. You want to make your dog's life awesome. And how can you do that? You can do that by better understanding your dog's body. And I'm super excited to introduce a video course that I made to help you better understand your dog's body by guiding you through evaluating each region of a dog's body and how to detect if there's pain. I've been a veterinarian for almost 30 years, and what I've learned in that time is that committed dog owners want to learn how to help make their dog's life awesome. And I have a guiding principle that I want to share. You miss more for not looking than not knowing, meaning you just need to learn how to become a great observer. But you do not need to be a veterinarian. This video course that's broken up in bite-sized pieces, guiding you through each region of the dog's body, is going to equip you to better understand your dog's body, how to find, are they tight? Are they feeling pain? You're going to gain confidence that you really understand your dog's body, and I want to empower you that your observations of your dog are really valuable. This course is going to take you through the whole dog's body, and you don't even have to learn a single anatomy term to know if they're tight or if they're in pain or discomfort. And if you pick these things up early, they're going to be far less serious, because you can change maybe the exercise activity or do some gentle massage or just start to figure out if there's something you can change. You don't need to go rushing to a veterinarian. I'm pulling back the curtain of the veterinary office. And it's not that I don't love my profession and respect my colleagues, but what I'm going to share with you is more thorough than a standard veterinary exam. When you get done with this course, you'll be able to evaluate your dog more thoroughly than your veterinarian. Not to mention, you've been observing their day-to-day behavior. So here again, you're going to save money, you're going to save time, you're going to save heartache, and you're going to get confidence. For someone to get all the information that's provided in this course in my office, that would cost thousands of dollars. It would cost probably more than $2,000. This course is $97. That's less than a quarter of the price for you to get everything you need to learn the techniques that I use in my integrative veterinary practice every day to evaluate dogs. And you'll have these videos for life. What else you're going to receive is multiple downloads providing you with the information that I know you're going to need on this journey of learning how to really figure out your dog's body. As well as, it was heartbreaking when it happened, but my dog here got injured unexpectedly. And so I made a video series having you join me on my journey. I didn't know what happened, what was wrong with him. It provided this wonderful opportunity to be real life. Like, okay, wait, I think something's wrong. I share with you what I observed, what was different than his normal behavior, and how I very slowly and methodically went through the journey. So I took like a video at day 2 and a video at day 6 and 10. So I am so grateful to my dog, who was very willing to be a teacher in that. This was an unbelievably valuable bit of information. And then I have a video of an older, stiffer dog and how to go through his body and how to mobilize his body to help him with his stiffness. So you get all of those bonuses along with the course, which is super valuable. You'll be making your dog's life more awesome before you know it. And there's no risk to you. There's 100% money back guarantee. No questions asked. I'm not worried you're going to be unhappy with the class, but I still have that guarantee. So if you want to make your dog's life more awesome and feel empowered and educated about your dog's body and any other dog that you ever come in contact with, you're going to want to sign up for this class. So click the button below and sign up for this class and start learning how to make your dog's life more awesome. Thank you very much, and bye for now.